Hi, I am Charles. This is my lovely girlfriend, Hannah. She's going to be taking a break from her regularly scheduled program of sociology homework and watching old episodes of MasterChef to play the part of student tonight and camera woman. I've already informed her. She likes to think she's pretty sassy, but I told her I don't take any sass in the classroom, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I started off by settling the class and giving everyone time to settle in. Then I passed out the anticipation guide. She's got a copy, I got a copy. Class of one, exciting stuff. And right now we're going to go through the directions on the anticipation guide for those of you who haven't done anticipation guide before. So the purpose of an anticipation guide is to get you in the mindset of what we're about to read before you read it. And I should let you know that I'm bribing you guys with pizza today. This article is about pizza, and if everything goes well and we finish on time, there's pizza waiting for you at the end. So get excited. The first thing that you're going to do, if you look at your sheet, is you're going to mark off, go through on your own, and then mark through true and false, what you think is true and what you think is false. Then after that, we're going to give you some time to think about it, and then we're going to do a group session where you guys are all going to work together in a group, in small groups, and you're going to discuss it and decide as a group if you think the answers are true or false. So go ahead and work on that, and we'll go from there. So now that you guys have worked on it on your own and had some time to discuss it as groups, let's hear some answers from what your groups decided. So what did you guys think for the first question there?
A ball is not flat, it is curved, is true.
Okay. What about the second one?
A cylinder is flat, is false.
Okay. Do we have anybody that disagrees? No? Consensus? Uniformity? All right, go on.
A slice of pizza is flat, not curved, is true. We can use a mathematical formula to try and determine if the universe is flat, true. You can never change the Gaussian curvature of a surface. I put IDK because I don't know what that is.
So let's stop there then. Does anyone know what Gaussian curvature is? Anybody? No. Okay. So that's actually what we're going to be reading about today. So by the end of this class, you should know what Gaussian curvature is.
Awesome. I put for the world maps we use are not very accurate. I put true. Curved shapes are stronger than flat shapes. I put IDK. Eggs are really strong. I put true. And the best way to eat a slice of pizza...
Sorry. Go back there. What was the one that you said I don't know for?
Curved shapes are stronger than flat shapes.
Okay.
Didn't really know what that meant. I was very confused.
So what we're looking for there is, what do you think is more structurally sound? Say you were building...
Oh, a curved or a flat
You had to
shape.
do an egg drop, or you might have done those in like science class.
Yeah.
Or if you were going to stand on something, you know, like a piece of cardboard or a ball or something, would you rather stand... What is more structurally sound, a curved shape or a flat shape?
Okay, so I feel like that's false then, because I feel like flat shapes are stronger.
Okay.
I still feel like I'm a college
So we'll talk
student
about
and I
that
should
again
know
in the
this.
reading.
Okay, and then the best way to eat a slice of pizza is by folding it. I put false.
Ooh.
Because you know it's not.
Ooh.
You know it's not the best way to eat it.
I think some of you are going to be a little bit educated today by this reading.
Okay.
Hopefully we'll change some points of view by the ending.
You won't.
Using Gaussian curvature.
I don't know what that is.
You'll find out. Okay, so now we're going to take some time, and we're going to, in the same groups that you worked on those together, or by yourself if you prefer to read alone, you can do that. That's totally fine. We are going to go through and read this article. So we're going to do that, and we will get back to you when we're done.
Do I have to read this whole thing?
Yep. You know, one of the best parts about being a teacher, which I don't have to wait for you to finish to eat my pizza.
Stop! That's mine.
Go ahead and finish your reading.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Okay, so why can maps not accurately be put onto the paper? That's a little bit confusing the way that they put it.
Okay, so you see, sorry, am I yelling in your face?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. See how they're talking about the the orange here.
Yeah.
So that's what is the Gaussian curvature of that?
So it's saying that even no matter how hard you try, you can't get it flat because it's
Right.
all from every point it's curved.
Right. So if we take this piece of paper, right,
Yeah.
and we roll it like this, actually that's perfect because it's got the little.
Yep.
And we roll it like this. We have our cylinder. Hint, hint to the guide, and it's still flat, right? Because the Gaussian curvature is still flat in one direction. So a sphere, the Gaussian is curved in both directions, right? So there's no way that we can flatten it out into a flat surface.
So because the world is round, you can't flatten it out into
Right.
a flat surface.
So there's no way we can put it on. See how they
Okay.
with this orange peel,
Yeah,
how that's
same
warped?
Okay.
There's no way we can put it onto a map without warping it to get it into a flat plane.
All right, that's cool.
Okay, so now that you guys are done reading, we're going to go back to these anticipation guides that you did, and we're going to go through them again. And in the second column there, where you guys made your team decisions, you're going to go back through, and any answers that you changed, you're going to fix on the paper. So anything that you want to change, go back and change. And then we're going to have a little group discussion about it. Okay, so let's run through these a little bit. So how about this? A ball is not flat, it is curved. What do we think? True or false?
True.
Okay. How about the Gaussian curvature? True? Is it flat or round?
Round.
Yeah, you're right. A cylinder.
Why'd you look surprised? Of course I'm right.
Cut.
You're a good teacher.
Okay. A cylinder is flat. Is that true or false? This is a tricky one.
It's like
It's a tricky one.
it depends on which way it is. Depends on whether it's the. I think it's true, or no, it's false. Sorry, the cylinder isn't flat.
Okay. So you're right. Conventionally, a cylinder is not flat.
Yeah.
But what about
But
the Gaussian curvature of a cylinder?
That's flat
Why?
because you can smush it and it'll be flat.
Yeah, but more than that, remember, we're working, if this is a cylinder, right?
Yeah.
So this is a cylinder. We can flatten it out
Yes.
into a plane.
That's what I meant.
So it's flat.
Yep.
Okay. How about a slice of pizza? Slice of pizza is flat. True or false?
True.
Why?
Because one part always has to remain flat.
There you go. There you go. You're getting it.
Yeah.
Okay, so number 4, we can use a mathematical formula to try and determine if the universe is flat. True or false?
True.
There you go. True. We can never change the Gaussian curvature of a surface.
True.
Why is it true?
Because it's like wrapping a basketball. I remember reading about it.
So think back to the cylinder example again.
Yeah.
So this
You
is
can make
flat.
that
We all
flat.
agree that this is flat, right?
Yeah, but a circle is like it has curves, consistent curves going all around it. So that's why you can't change it. It's curved. With the cylinder, there's 2 different paths that an ant could take, but with a circle, there's only one
you're
path.
right. You're right. World maps we use are not very accurate. True or false?
True.
Okay. Curved shapes are curved shapes are stronger than flat shapes.
True.
There you go. You got that one right before, so you're doing better.
Learning.
Eggs are really, really strong. Think eggs, do they have a flat
true,
or
because
curved?
they're curved surfaces.
There you go. Okay, last one. The best way to eat a slice of pizza is by folding it. This is the big one. True or false?
Personally, I think that is false, but scientifically, I understand why it's true.
Okay, so at least you admit you're a science denier. But
Sure.
I'll still give you your pizza.
Thanks.
All right. So, now that you got your pizza, gotta demonstrate for the camera.
Well, this is unfolded,
Yeah, nice and floppy.
and then this is curved.
Ah, there you go. Math's not so bad when you get pizza, huh?
Mm-mm.